have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla. The Bharatiya Janata Party responding to this has in fact slammed the Congress. BJP is accusing Congress of misusing AI. Shehzad Poonawalla says Congress misusing AI to influence polls and it is being misused to create a fake anti-BJP opinion.
कांग्रेस पार्टी का फिर से भांडाफोड़ हो चुका है। पिछले चुनाव में आपको याद होगा कि कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका के साथ कांग्रेस पार्टी चुनावों को मैनिपुलेट कराना चाहती थी। इस बार ओपन एआई ने पर्दाफाश किया है कि कैसे कांग्रेस पार्टी एंटी बीजेपी, एंटी इंडिया कमेंट्स डलवाने के लिए स्पैमोफ्लाज करवा रही थी, मतलब स्पैम कमेंट्स को कैमोफ्लाज करवा रही थी जैसे कि वो असली कमेंट्स है, और इसके लिए 5 विदेशी ऑपरेटर्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया। ओपन एआई ने इसको डिस्क्लोज किया है।
In fact, Shehzad Poonawalla is joining us on the broadcast. So you're alleging that Congress is behind this?
See, Swati, there is enough evidence and more that Congress has always tried to manipulate Indian elections using foreign forces. कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका को तो टाइम्स नाउ ने ही डिस्क्लोज किया था कैसे उनका लिंक था एंड हाउ द एंटायर ऑपरेशंस वर बीइंग डन, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई पुट आउट सम एविडेंस आल्सो। देन वी हैव सीन फेक वीडियोस एंड डीप फेक्स बीइंग यूज्ड बाय कांग्रेस पार्टी विद अमित शाह जी, एंड नाउ ओपन एआई हैज मेड अ डिस्क्लोजर दैट 5 ऑपरेटर्स वर मैनिपुलेटिंग द सेंटिमेंट्स ऑन वेरियस इश्यूज इंक्लूडिंग इंडियन इलेक्शंस, एंड दे वर ऑल इन द फेवर ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी एंड अगेंस्ट इंडिया, एंड हाउ कांग्रेस पार्टी हैज बीन patronizing such kinds of accounts which are spamouflaging. So it is very clear that Congress का हाथ Indian elections को manipulate करने वालों के साथ. The question is that who are the forces who are doing this, with what interest they are doing it, and why is Congress party not responding and giving the answer that why they on the one hand besmirch the reputation of Indian elections and then they are themselves manipulating Indian elections using such kinds of sinister forces.
All right, Shehzad, thank you very much for joining us with your views. We have Rishabh on the broadcast as well. Rishabh, now the allegation is that OpenAI was used to generate comments, articles, social media profiles, all of them that criticize the BJP and praise the Congress. And Shehzad Poonawalla, we just heard him. He says there is definitely some link of this to the Congress party. He is directly leveling those sensational allegations against the Congress, saying Congress could be behind this.
Well, definitely there is local politics now at play where BJP is openly criticizing Congress and saying and blaming Congress for that matter that they have used external forces to influence Indian elections. As of now, OpenAI has not made any such comment. If we talk about OpenAI, as per OpenAI, they learned about such activities on internet, and within 24 hours they thwarted all these accounts. OpenAI say that in month of March they realized that their model is being used to influence and sway Indian elections, and they acted upon it. Now further investigation will reveal that who exactly was behind this, who asked STOCI to actually work in this manner, whether it was someone from within India or was it an external force behind this. So that all will be part of investigation once we get to know how and what led to these activities on internet. But definitely the moment this news has come in, the politics, as India is voting in the last phase of the general elections, the politics around the whole OpenAI revelation has begun. We heard Shehzad Poonawalla, we have heard opposition leaders as well. It will be interesting to see what the actual story behind this would be.
Absolutely. So allegations are being leveled by the BJP that the Congress is behind it, like you said. However, there's no official confirmation as to who really is behind it. OpenAI claims that they disrupted any such activity that focused on Indian elections less than 24 hours after it began.